In this lesson, we will create a column chart. A column chart is used to show a distribution of data. They're an easy way to compare values and often used to show budget and actual. Our sales dashboard will show sales by category. So bars that are small represent low sales and tall bars represent your cash cows, the category that's driving your sales. Our column chart will be formatted with axis labels turned off and data labels turned on. To get started, we're going to click the column chart button, second along on the top row. And I'm going to drag mine to the right of the canvas. And then we're going to add our values. If we come over to the data pane, let's first tick price, and you'll see that it adds it to the y-axis. And then we're going to click categories. And you'll see that it now divides it up into 3 bars, one for planner, one for paper goods, and one for writing. Whilst it's got the values along the y-axis, it's hard to exactly see what the values are here. So we're going to format it to turn data labels on. We'll come to the visualization pane and click the format button, and we'll start at the top. First of all, open your x-axis, and we're going to turn the title off, which is this category title down the bottom. And then we're going to do the same to our y-axis. Come down and turn the title off. And we're also going to turn the values off, which will get rid of the 0 to 2K. Then to put on our data labels, we'll come down the bottom here, press the on button, and you'll see that it adds labels to each column. So planner is 1.9K, our paper goods are $600. It has rounded them by thousands automatically. To turn that off and to show the actual values, we can come into data labels, scroll down to the bottom, and where it's got the values, click that to open it. We're going to come down to the display units where it's selected auto, and we're going to change this to none. So we don't want any rounding. And you'll see straight away it shows us the full amount now. I don't want to see the cents there, I just want my whole number. So I'm going to come back to the data section, and where it's got value decimal places, let's put a 0 in there. Now you can see that you can either values, so paper goods it's 594 and writing tools aren't far behind it. And the last thing we're going to do to the visual is to turn off the title. In the same area, we're going to go to the top and click the general menu, and where it's got the title, we're going to turn that off. For our sales dashboard, we want to overlay this in our sales card here. So we're going to left click it and drag it over, place it in here, and then we'll resize it. And this gives us a really great effect of showing that our sales are 3,000 and 2,000 of it is planners and the rest comes from these other categories. Click pause on the next screen to make sure you've completed all the steps.